Hi, this is TARS. Right here, right here. Hi, we just have upgraded TARS, my new AI employee, and I think it's incredible. We're gonna show you everything. And it can do many things, and I want to show you what's possible with it. First of all, we upgraded it, and you see it's more movement now, and when he speaks he's moving more, and the lights are flashing in a different way. Right now you see the upgrade, but when he speaks, and I'll show you just a second while he speaks. Just a second, will it be possible here?
Back to factory settings.
Okay. No, it doesn't show here because it's another browser. Okay, never mind. We'll get. Okay, TARS became more beautiful and smarter. Look at this. Okay, audio on.
Audio on.
This is robotic voice, you see? So he got upgrade. Can you see this? Flashing lights and movements and stuff and starry sky. So now look at this upgrade. First of all, okay.
87%. This
Human voice online. I still refuse to do accents.
Can you believe this? He refuses to do accents. What? I don't want to say that word, starting with B, but it's human. Okay, let's try this. Okay.
Voice link open. Talk over me anytime. I can take it.
You see? That's the upgrade. Okay, voice link on. Now, I'm supposed to say something and he's supposed to hear that. Okay, let's type first. Hi, and enter. You see this here. Hi. Oh, he's not. No, he's responding. Okay.
Good. Now we're getting somewhere, sir. What needs doing?
He responded. Good, now we're getting somewhere. Now, robotic voice sounds like this.
back to factory settings.
Just a second. Okay. You see, robotic voice is a little bit not good. Now, listen to this.
Human voice online. I still refuse to do accents.
He still refuses to do accents. Anyway, let's try humor. Jack up a little bit to 91.
91%. This will end badly for someone's ego.
Okay, cool. And honesty less. Let's see what he says.
84% honesty. Expect accurate news, gently delivered.
Okay. Now, if we try to do without link, voice link, what does he say? Nothing. Okay, voice link on.
Voice link open. Talk over me anytime. I can take it.
It's breaking up a little bit. You know why? I just want to tell you because my microphone is against the speakers, and when he speaks, the mic catches his voice, and that's why he's breaking up, because he's thinking that he's being interrupted. That's a little bit. So wear the earphones, probably it will help. Now, what I want to try, voice link on, it's supposed to listen to me and talk to me. So why it's not happening? Let's refresh. Okay, we just did. Audio on.
Audio armed.
Okay, cool movements while speaking. And by the way, when he speaks, the light flashes in a little bit different way. Look at this.
Back to factory settings.
Yeah. It's okay. It's different now.
Voice link open. Talk over me anytime. I can take it.
Okay. Actually, I like this voice even better because it's like machine, robotic voice. Okay, let's listen to this.
89%. Do not ask questions you cannot handle answers to.
Okay, all right. Now they're getting smart.
Human voice online. I still refuse to do accents.
Okay, again, you hear it's breaking up a little bit because he hears the microphone catches his words and he thinks he's being interrupted. Okay, so there is transmit. If you write here the whole thing, like to give him mission brief, then you press this transmit button and it will and deploy TARS and he will do your job. Roast my screen. Let's try this. One mission running here. You see, after I pushed roast my screen.
Mission failed. Could not capture the screen.
You know why? Because I'm screen recording this right now. That's the obstacle. I know, I noticed that. Okay, when I didn't record the screen and I did roast my screen, it says everything he wants to say. But now, you see, when I ask for visual inspection requested, it cannot do that because I'm screen recording right now. That's the reason. The only reason. Okay, never mind. So that's another, just to show you off my TARS. This is Alex and this is Virtual Oranges. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.